In your first alert crime tracker, a disturbing case out of Texarkana. Jatoria Renee Cleamons is now facing injury to a child and manslaughter charges after the death of her 8-month-old son. Back in February, first responders found the baby unresponsive at a home in Hooks, Texas. The baby died, and an autopsy later revealed that he suffered from severe burns from scalding water. Investigators say Cleamons admitted she put her child in a hot bathtub in frustration over a soiled diaper.
Neighbors, saints, souls of the village, I need you guys to please stop what y'all doing, because what we about to walk through is a crime against the womb. We going down to Texas, where an 8-month-old baby boy, not even 1 year old, not even able to say mama, was boiled alive. And the person responsible, his own mother. 21 years of age, not a stranger, not a boyfriend, not a monster from the alley, his own mama. On February the 4th, 911 gets a call. A baby ain't breathing. Emergency teams rush to Kennedy Circle. They try to revive him, but it's too late. He's gone. But when the autopsy report came back, baby, it told the truth that the grown folks refused to say. This child died from thermal injuries. This baby was scalded, and his death was a homicide. She didn't drop him. She didn't trip. She put that baby in boiling water because he had a dirty ass diaper. But what cut me deep in my soul, that child didn't even die immediately. No. He held home. He was strong, y'all. That baby held on. He suffered in silence for 2 weeks, with his skin burning, his body blistering, and his breath just as shallow. No hospital visits, no ER, no call to nobody. She moved into a relative's home with a dying baby. Let that sink in. She boiled him, then hit him, and let him fade away like he was trash. Where was this village that y'all talk about? Where's the damn village? Where was the grandmas? Where was the aunties? Hell, where was the father? Where was the cousin next door? Who saw those damn wounds? Who heard the child scream? Who chose to stay quiet? Who chose to stay quiet? That's all I want to know. Now, on June the 13th, months after this baby died, the police department finally arrested the mom and charged her with manslaughter and injury to a child. Manslaughter? She didn't accidentally drop a pot of soup. She didn't forget a bath. She boiled that child in rage and watched him die. This is murder. And on top of that, she hit him for 2 weeks. She didn't try to get him help. She just watched him die. In 2 weeks, that baby suffered. Black women, we are in crisis. We got babies raising babies. We got trauma raising trauma. We got mothers breaking under pressure with no prayer, no plan, and no power. The system don't care. The community gone quiet. And the church, half of y'all ain't even looking in her direction. But we must, because babies are dying. That 8-month-old baby had a name, a laugh, a cry, a future. And all of it ended in a tub of boiling water. Say a prayer, light a candle, call on your young mama you know. And if you see something that ain't right, y'all, please, please, please speak up. No more hiding. No more hiding evil behind closed doors. No more silence when babies are screaming for their lives.
In your first alert crime tracker, a disturbing case out of Texarkana, Jatoria Renee Cleamons is now facing injury to a child and manslaughter charges after the death of her 8-month-old son. Back in February, first responders found the baby unresponsive at a home in Hooks, Texas. The baby died, and an autopsy later revealed that he suffered from severe burns from scalding water. Investigators say Cleamons admitted she put her child in a hot bathtub in frustration over a soiled diaper.